My dear brothers and sisters, there is sweetness in both jaggery and sugar, but sugar is injurious to health and jaggery is beneficial for health. Both Lord Krishna and Uncle Shakuni used to speak very sweetly. Arjun chose Krishna and Duryodhan chose Shakuni. The rest is history. My dear brothers and sisters, foolish people want to run everything according to their will, and those who are really knowledgeable and powerful leave everything to Krishna. In the battle of Kurukshetra, Arjun had left everything to Lord Krishna, and Duryodhan was foolish to run everything on his own terms. My dear brothers and sisters, women in India have always been considered as goddesses, and whoever ever showed the courage to cast an evil eye on these goddesses, the death of such people came in such a way that even the stones swam in the water. The ocean had also floated the stones to take Lord Sri Ram to Lanka. My dear brothers and sisters, Guru Gobind Singh Ji used to say that those people alone are equal to 100 people who keep the words of their heart on their tongue. Those who keep one thing in their heart and another on their tongue, such people are not worthy of trust. My dear brothers and sisters, if you leave the vessel of boiling milk on stove and go to rest, when you come back you will find all the milk falling down on the floor. See, if the rabbit had not rested, the tortoise wouldn't have the courage to win the race. That's why gentlemen say that until some work is not completed, one should not rest at all. My dear brothers and sisters, in life always keep check on your senses and do not fall under anyone's delusion and provocation. If something is not understood by you properly, then take proper advice from a proper person. Remember, it was Manthara who set the first fire in Ramayana. It is only after Manthara's delusion and provocation that Kaikeyi sent Raghunandan Ram to exile for 14 years. My dear brothers and sisters, we should always associate with people who blame our faults and attribute our virtues. Those who cover up our faults and always praise us will spoil our life someday. In Ravan's court, all the people except Vibhishan used to only cheer Ravan and give fuel to his iniquity. As a result, both Lanka and Ravan were reduced to ashes. My dear brothers and sisters, never encourage any injustice, even if it is your dear one who is doing injustice. Never do any partiality. Its consequences can be dire. If Ravan had not supported Surpanakha's injustice and lousy deed, then Ramayana would not have happened, because the entire war between Ram and Ravan started only after Lakshman cut off Surpanakha's nose. My dear brothers and sisters, no matter how much knowledgeable, virtuous and powerful we are, to whomever we are devoted, our life also becomes exactly the same. If we remain devoted to truth and knowledge, then our life will become luminous. If we remain devoted to lies and ignorance, then our life will also become dark. Both Arjun and Karna were great archers and mighty warriors. Arjun devoted himself to Sri Krishna and Karna devoted himself to wicked Duryodhan, and rest is the history. My dear brothers and sisters, it's your actions that makes you the person what you are and not your company. If one has faith in oneself, no one can spoil his character and virtue. No one can misguide you or lead you to wrong path unless you allow them. When Lord Hanuman met Vibhishan, he told him, just as the tongue remains soft even though it is surrounded by hard and sharp teeth. Similarly, even though I live amongst wicked demons, I love and follow Lord Ram. My dear brothers and sisters, I hope you learned something from this video. Thanks for watching. Jai Shri Ram, Jai Shri Krishna.